chest swing. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. So today I am so excited to be doing a makeup tutorial for you guys. I really want to do something different, fun, completely something that you would not do for a warm summer day. Today I want to do a really fun look, and I was actually inspired by a makeup artist that I absolutely love on Instagram. Her name is Makeup by Jah, I believe, J-A-H, and I love every single one of her makeup looks. I love her YouTube channel as well. If you guys have not checked her out, definitely go check her out. I will leave her YouTube channel down below as well as her Instagram name. Every single makeup look that she posts, I'm so obsessed with, and honestly, she is one of my favorite makeup artists on Instagram. She is also the queen of blending. I've never seen someone blend so amazingly as her. And so she did this really beautiful teal look recently on someone. I actually think she posted it yesterday, and I saw it and I just fell in love. And I just really wanted to do something different and something I haven't done in a while. I actually posted a picture of myself from before I started my business, like when I was really focused on me looking nice every day. I pretty much sat in the house every day, but I really, wanted to focus on my makeup as well as my hair. And I got so many comments on the Instagram story picture that I posted that I'm like, okay, I need to step up my game a little, because obviously I'm slacking with being creative with makeup looks on myself, as well as not doing my hair. So today, my hair is a little messy, so don't really look at my hair. But my makeup, I tried really, really hard to look really, really nice today. But anyway, I'm just rambling. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. If you do, please make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you are not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye. So as always, we're going to start off the look by priming our eyes. You guys know I love the Urban Decay primer in Potion Primer in Original. There we go. Today we're going to be using pretty much MAC shadows. I'm first going in with Blanc Type, and this is going to be our brow bone highlight. So I place this right underneath the brow. I'm using this crown brush that I absolutely love. I got it in my BoxyCharm box. So I'm going to press that underneath the brow and then blend it down into the eyes. Then going in with Soft Brown by MAC, I'm taking my E40 brush by Sigma, and this is going to be our transition shade. So starting from the outer corner, bring it to the inner corner, and also blending in circular motions. You really want to make sure that all your shadows are really nice and blended, since we are doing a smoky eye. Then I'm going to go in with MAC Texture. I always love layering shadows, so as you guys will see, I use this one, Soft Brown, I use Saddle, I use a bunch of shadows. So I'm going to go ahead and place this right into the crease. I do blend this up because I do want this shadow to be seen, because you want, a really nice kind of gradient transition with doing smoky eyes. So I'm going to go ahead and place this right into the crease and then back with my big fluffy brush just to make sure everything is nice and blended. So I forgot to show the shadow, but as I said, I am now going to go in with Saddle, which is a really beautiful warm shade. So place this right into the crease. I am going to blend it up just a little bit, only for the fact that I do have hooded eyes, but mainly just placing this right into my crease. And then again, I go back with my big fluffy brush and blend everything out. So for our lid shade today, I'm going to go in with MAC Plumage. The girl that did the makeup look that I was talking about in the beginning of this video, she actually used an Anastasia palette, the Subculture palette. So I am kind of going off of what I think looks really beautiful, and this is such a really great teal shade. So actually I'm taking just a slight amount of plumage, and I'm going to go ahead and place this right into the crease, because it will help later on with blending all the shadows together. So for the lid base, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline gel liner in Black is Black, and I'm going to put this down on my lid. I'm doing a black base because black really makes these beautiful kind of teal colors, and just a lot of colors in general really pop. Like if you want to do purple on the lid, if you put a black base down, it's really going to amp that purple. So I'm going to go ahead and place this right onto my lid. I'm not going to bring this above the crease at all, just right to the, as you can see, right to the top where my crease starts. And then I'm going to go ahead and go in with Plumage and press that right onto the gel liner. It's not only going to set the gel liner, but as you can see, it just really makes that teal really beautiful, which is what I wanted. Then this is where your blending muscles are going to come into play. So I'm going to go in with Plumage. I'm actually using my Sigma E25 blending brush. I had my MAC 217, but I feel like the Sigma blending brush is more precise. Like I really can have more control with my blending. So I'm going to take Plumage and just go back and forth, and blend the lid shade into the rest of those colors we have down on the lid. Like I said, this is going to take you some time. So I edited out literally pretty much like 10 minutes of me blending. If you go ahead and blend too much, some of the shadow will come off the lid, which is fine. So just go ahead and pat some more on. But like I said, you are going to go ahead and blend a lot. So don't think you're taking forever. I literally edited out the whole thing. So then we're going to go ahead and add a little bit of MAC Folly, which I added right into the crease because I felt like I needed to have another color in between Plumage and the other colors I had in my crease. So adding that brown just really kind of seamlessly blended everything together because it just was missing something. And then I'm just going to keep going, making sure that everything is nice and blended. I always, as you guys see, go back and forth between blending and then go back with my big fluffy brush. Now for lashes, since it was blurry, I'm going in with the velour lashes in Fluff and Cool. While I let the glue dry, I'm going to go ahead and set my face or put my primer down. This is the LC Pearl Radiance Primer, which I love this primer so much. It's amazing. I'm also going to add an added step. This is optional. I'm going in with the Cover FX Illuminating Drops, which I absolutely love. And it does look a little bit crazy, but I love adding these to my skin before applying foundation just because it's just going to give that really beautiful glow. So blending that out all over the face. And then I did decide to change it up a little bit and do my foundation and the rest of my face products off camera. My favorite recently has been this Becca Ultimate Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. And as you can see, face, concealer, powders, brows, everything is done. So I'm going to link all that down below for you guys for the products that I used. I'm going to go ahead and finish up the face by bronzing and contouring. I'm going to be using my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in Deep Darkest. I'm going to be using my contour brush by Sigma, and I'm just going to go ahead and contour my face. I actually feel like I should have gone a little bit more with the contour just because the eyes really, since they're so dark, they take so much of the focus away from the face. So I honestly love the way my face makeup turned out, but I kind of wish I did a little bit more color, but that's just my option. If you guys love it, go ahead and do it this way. For blush, I'm going in with NARS Madly. I didn't really want to do too much blush, just going in with a very, very light hand, applying that right to the cheeks. And then for highlight today, I'm using my Persona Cosmetics highlighter in Zuma, which this was actually my first time using it. And as you will see from my reactions, I am obsessed with this highlighter. It is so freaking beautiful. And as you can see, I like died. I cannot. Like, look at how beautiful. Oh my God. Oh my God. Like, this is my new favorite highlighter. I honestly was not expecting for it to be so gorgeous. I saw the swatches and everybody using it and it looked beautiful, but on me, I'm like, holy crap, this is amazing. I'm going to go in also with Zuma and put that as my inner corner highlight on my eyes. I'm also going to put a little bit underneath the brows just to go ahead and give a little bit of shine to the brow bone highlight. Going back to the eyes, we're going to go ahead and finish up this smoky eye look. So going back in with my gel liner, I'm going to go ahead and place the gel liner right on my waterline for my eyeliner. And then I'm also going to go ahead and smudge it along my lower lash line as well. I'm pretty much going to do the same thing I did on the upper lid in the sense of putting down the gel liner and then going back with Plumage to go ahead and set that. Because again, if you just go in with regular Plumage on your lower lash line, it's going to be a completely different color than your lid because we did put the black gel liner down. So I'm just going to go ahead and smudge this back and forth, and then going in with Plumage, I'm just going to go ahead and set that gel liner. And just so there are no harsh lines, I'm taking just a little bit of Folly and just going back and forth and blending that along my lower lash line. Not too much, just a little bit so that everything kind of blends and that there's no harsh lines. After that, I'm also going to go in with my black eyeshadow, and I'm just going to go ahead and set the waterline because I didn't want the waterline to get any plumage on it, so it looked teal. So just going in with a little bit of black to really kind of emphasize the gel liner in my waterline and also, you know, just to make this look really nice and smoky. I'm
applying mascara on my real lashes so they blend into the falsies, and then of course my camera angle is amazing. I'm putting on mascara on my lower lashes as well. And last step with the eyes, I'm going to go ahead and tight line my upper waterline with my eyeliner, which is the final step in the whole smoky eye look. So after this, you are completely done with the eyes. Take a breather. You worked hard, girl. Now we're going to go ahead and finish up with the lips. So I'm taking my Charlotte Tilbury lip liner in Iconic Nude, applying that to my lips. I do overdraw my upper lip just a little bit just because it is very little. And then for lipstick, I'm going in with the Over Cosmetics lipstick. I don't remember the name of this. I will leave it down below. I did just get it in my BoxyCharm this month, and I wanted to use it just to see what the color looked like, and I absolutely love it. I love it for, honestly, it's just a really beautiful color, but I felt with this look, it was just kind of really taking away the focus from the eyes. So just to go ahead and nude it out a little bit, I'm taking Jouer Cosmetics in the shade Buff. I love this lipstick because it's always the lipstick that I use to kind of really nude out lipsticks, which I absolutely love. So then after that, for lip gloss, I'm going in with NARS Gold Digger, and that is the completed look. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you're not already. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks again, and bye.